Hello viewers, for today's video we will be exploring about top 5 foods rich in antioxidants, but before we dive into the countdown, let's try to figure out, what is antioxidants? Antioxidants are compounds delivered in your body and found in food sources. They assist with protecting your cells from harm brought about by possibly hurtful atoms known as free radicals. At the point when free radicals aggregate, they might cause a state known as oxidative pressure. This might harm your DNA and other significant constructions in your cells. Scientists use several tests to measure the antioxidant content of foods. One of the best tests is the FRAP or ferric reducing ability of plasma analysis. It measures the antioxidant content of foods by how well they can neutralize a specific free radical. The higher the FRAP value, the more antioxidants the food contains. Here are the top 5 healthy foods that are high in antioxidants. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Fortunate for chocolate darlings, dark chocolate is nutritious. It has more cocoa than customary chocolate, just as more minerals and antioxidants. In view of the FRAP examination, dark chocolate has up to 15 millimoles of cell reinforcements per 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. This is much more than blueberries and raspberries, which contain up to 9.2 and 2.3 millimoles of cell reinforcements in a similar serving size, separately. Also, the antioxidants in cocoa and dull chocolate have been connected to noteworthy medical advantages, for example, less aggravation and diminished danger factors for coronary illness. Number 2. Blueberries. Despite the fact that they are low in calories, blueberries are loaded with supplements and cell reinforcements. As indicated by a FRAP investigation, blueberries have up to 9.2 millimoles of cell reinforcements per 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. A few examinations even propose that blueberries contain the most noteworthy measure of cancer prevention agents among all ordinarily burned through leafy foods. Moreover, research from Test Cylinder and Creature Review has shown that the cell reinforcements in blueberries might defer the decrease in mind work that will in general occur with age. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are among the most famous berries on Earth. They are sweet, adaptable and a rich wellspring of nutrient C and cancer prevention agents. In view of a FRAP investigation, strawberries give up to 5.4 millimoles of cancer prevention agents per 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. Besides, strawberries contain a kind of cancer prevention agent called anthocyanins, which give them their red tone. Strawberries that have a higher anthocyanin content will generally be more brilliant red. Research has shown that anthocyanins may assist with decreasing the danger of coronary illness by lessening levels of terrible LDL cholesterol and raising great HDL cholesterol. Number 4. Red cabbage. Red cabbage has an impressive nutrient profile. Also known as purple cabbage, it is rich in vitamin C, K and A, and has a high antioxidant content according to a FRAP analysis. Red cabbage provides up to 2.2 millimoles of antioxidants per 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. That's more than 4 times the amount of antioxidants in regular cooked cabbage. This is because red cabbage contains anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that give red cabbage its color. Anthocyanins are also found in strawberries and raspberries. These anthocyanins have been linked to several health benefits. They may reduce inflammation, protect against heart disease and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Number 5. Beans. Beans are a diverse group of legumes that are inexpensive and healthy. They are also incredibly high in fiber, which can help keep your bowel movements regular. Beans are also one of the best vegetable sources of antioxidants. A FRAP analysis found that green broad beans contain up to 2 millimoles of antioxidants per 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.